Hey, quick question, right? Have you ever thought that you would have an email assistant that will work for you 24/7 hours just for you without having an email marketing team? And I mean, an email assistant that can actually generate email copy, can generate your subject lines, it can test everything out, make sure that everything is actually correct and is actually performing better, right? Just for you to make more sales. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did with Cloud. I followed Cloud's instruction to create the best 24/7 AI email assistant, right, that actually runs by itself. Now, if you do not know exactly who I am, over the past 2 years I've worked with over 100 plus clients on platforms such as MailChimp, HubSpot, Go High Level Plus, ClickFunnels, and I've earned over 70k plus on Upwork, working with coaches, consultants, and course creators, right, on email marketing systems and copywriting engines, just like the one that I'm just going to show you now. Today we're going to deal with Cloud, right, the various skills that I have uploaded right here. I'm going to show you exactly what those are, and I'm just going to break down exactly the prompt that we're going to cover in here. Now, starting with this prompt, now this is the master prompt that we're going to actually upload to Cloud and tell exactly Cloud what exactly we want. Now, I'm going to read it, right? So this prompt, exactly what it just breaks down, saying you are an AI expert in designing multiple agent AI systems. I don't want a SaaS, I don't want an application, I don't want front-end code, I don't want back-end code. We don't basically want it to create an application or stuff like that. I don't want architecture documents. Plus, you can actually use this even if you have not paid for Cloud, right? It's actually free. You can just go take this prompt, upload it to Cloud for free, and it will generate you the craziest thing you have ever seen, right? I don't want explanation of how to build agents. I want you to create the agents themselves. So think of each agent as a real employee that I'm hiring. Your task is to fully create each agent so that I can immediately use them inside a multi-agent workflow. This system must contain AI email writing agent, inbox management agent, subscriber management agent, email automation agent, sequence agent, analytics agent, click tracking agent, A/B testing agent, campaign strategy agent. And for each agent, I want you to tell me the agent name, the purpose, the mission, the responsibility, decision making process, workflow, input, output, right? The information the agent receives, the information the agent sends, what the agent should ignore, what it should prioritize, what should be triggered, right? Then create the complete system prompt for each agent, right? The system prompt should be detailed enough that the agent can immediately be used inside Cloud, OpenAI, QAI, LangGraph, AutoGen, NN8, or any other agent framework. Okay, show exactly the campaign strategy agent passes instructions to email writing agent. So exactly, right, we wanted to create all these agents that will actually work together so that it can give us the best output ever, right? So it just coordinates themselves as an email marketing team, right? So it's like they all work together as a team, right? So that's the first step. Then second step is now the AI skills, right, that I'm just going to show you in a second. And this one is basically what they are. So what we don't want those emails to actually sound like AI. So the first thing that I uploaded this doc, which is the human language operating system, telling basically AI on exactly what we want the emails actually sent, like how to identify the emails, the robotic words and all that, right? To just on how it can rate all these things, right? So creating an agent, actually it should not just sound like AI, right, or robotic, right? Because emails have to sound like human. They have to sound like a friend talking to another friend, right? So we have to build something that actually analyzes on how it can see human touches, how it can see AI touches, and avoid those AI touches, so that it cannot kill the conversational part. Now, it's not going to be 100%, but it's going to help us a whole lot in tackling all those kind of things, like AI stuff words, right, or buzzwords, right? Also, this one is another one, so remove common AI words such as this one, right, just to help AI see and know, to give it a point of view on exactly what we mean by those AI buzzwords or those AI structure words in sentences and stuff like that, right, or phrases, right? So all these documents. So this is the first document, and the second document that I actually showed you. These are the documents that I've uploaded right here, the human language operating system. This is the first one, and this one is the second one. This one is the third one, which is the skill, and this skill is for emails. Where can you find this skill? This skill can be found easily, right? If you go to my newsletter, when you sign up to it, I can just send you all these 3 documents. It's actually for free, right? But you can also go to GitHub, so marketing skills. Okay, marketing skills GitHub, right? When you go there, you can click the first link that comes up right there, and then it will pop up this Corey Haynes 31, right? When it pop ups this, there's a bunch of skills in here. What you're going to do, you're just going to download the zip, right? After you download the zip, just like this, right, it's going to download and show you something just like this one, right? So it has already downloaded. You open the file, you unzip it, so you click it, and then it will extract. After it extracts, it brings you a file just like this one, right? And then when you open the file, you'll find skills. You open skills, you go directly to email. So there's A/B testing skills right here. When you open, you'll find it skill MD, right, which you can also add it to cloud, or you can go right here on emails. Let me see, where is it? This one right here, and the skill MD right there. Right now, the skill MD, it's not pointless, right? If you want to view it, you can just view it, right? You can just open it in your whatever you're using, right, just to view exactly text edit, right? Open, and then you will see exactly what is in it. So this is basically every single skill. So sequence design, initial agents, so sequence types, audience context, goals, core principles and stuff like that, the strategy, everything is in here about the emails and stuff like that, and lead magnets and blah 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 blah, right? So you're just going to connect the files. So you're just going to create projects. Mine is already right here, calling copy cells, right? And then you're going to upload the files. Plus after that, you're just going to copy all this prompt, right? So you're just going to copy the prompt, basically take it, paste it right here into cloud. That's the only thing you have to do. Paste it into cloud, press enter, and then wait for cloud to actually generate you the AI email assistant that will actually help you 24/7. Okay, 24/7. It will work for you, everything, right? So now, as you can see here, it's saying now I have everything I need. Let me build all 9 agents plus the collaboration workflow, right? So give it a minute. Boom, now it has already generated exactly the first step, right? It has gave me the exact prompt that I can take this workflow, paste it into any kind of AI that I want, right? So it can be, I don't know, cloud here, I can do it for GPT, I can do it for QA, I can do for NetA, right? And it will help me build exactly the kind of agent that I actually want. Now, for example, right, so this one is the first agent, and the first agent is the email writing agent, right? So this one is the email writing, and this is the exact prompt. So the system prompt email writing agent copy. So it tells it like, you are copy, an expert email copywriter for a creator lead email marketing business. Your audience already knows and trusts the creator. You are not cold emailing strangers. You're writing warm personal emails to people who signed up, clicked something or bought something because they liked what they saw, right? Like it gives the exact instructions, right, for it to write the best email, right? Like for the subject line, under 60 characters, lowercase preferred, some personal not, sounds personal not, like a campaign blast, no exclamation marks unless they are genuinely end, no forced capitalization, example of good style, maybe the real reason your clicks dropped or something like that, right? It gives you like the whole examples and everything, right? So this is the first step, right? The whole step on all the 9 agents and the systems that the system prompt that I can actually upload into any AI that I actually want, right? So this is the first step that it will actually give you, and then after that I want you to just write this actual prompt right here. You gave me prompts, but you did build the actual AI agent. Build them all, right? So it will start building one by one. Okay, so you're right, let me build all 9 agents as actual working artifacts you can use right now. Now I build all the 9 agents, and then it will build the copy agent, right? It will build the inbox management agent, it will build the subscriber management agent, and it will keep building all of the 9 agents till they are actually complete, right? So the inbox, so here it's the incoming reply, right? So classify replies, escalate hot leads, draft responses, so which email triggered this reply, subscriber history. So for example, like it also gives you the example. So paste the subscriber's reply. So maybe you send an email to a subscriber and they replied something, right? You will paste the email right here, the email that they replied to, which email triggered this reply, so the subject line or campaign name, and then subscriber history, right? Maybe they bought a course, they were called for 60 days, maybe they engaged but they did not buy anything. You'll write it right here, right? And this is actually optional, and then you classify and draft the responses, right here. If you want to write the email itself, so the campaign type right here, it gives you like if it's a welcome email, not sure, any kind of thing like that. Okay, we're out of credits, but you can actually do this for free, right? It will use all your credits actually. the re-engagement, post purchase, or pitching the offer, right? Then here is the audience segment, right? So maybe it's an email marketer, maybe a 30-day non-opener, stuff like that. The campaign brief or the specific angle that you want to go with, you write it right there. The primary goal, maybe to book a call, maybe just to get people to click right there. The CTA destination, maybe it will be a sales page, maybe it will be like a PDF guide, you write it right there. And then write the email, it will generate you the email. Okay, generate 3 subject line variation for A/B testing. You can just mark it like that and it will generate you all the subject lines, right? This is crazy. Actually, this is crazy. You get it for free. The rules now, subscriber management agent. Now here is the subscriber ID, maybe probably you paste the email, the event type, so email opened within 24 hours, link clicked, reply sent, purchase made, all that, right? The current score, so maybe 2 1 2 4 5 0 8, depends. Current tag, current sequence, and the additional contents that any other relevant info about this subscriber or the event that you actually want to run, and then it will give you the process of the event. And then the dispatch, right? It will give you all the dispatch for the whole campaign, and then you will build a sequence map for your whole actual campaign. Now for me, I am out of credits, right? That's why you can see like it built me like 4 of them, right? But you can actually build all of them 9, right? Actually all of them 9, and this one is not even complete yet. As you can see, it's like still loading, right? And once like at 4 a.m. everything is set, then it will keep continuing until all the 9 of them are actually complete. Now this is actually crazy. If you need this prompt just to actually make everything clear and generate your own system, your 24-hour system, you can actually just let me know, and then I will share this document. Probably I will share it directly in the description. And then if you want these systems, like all these 9 systems, right, I'm going to create a guide that will help you actually create it into cloud, paste it on your own, generate on your own. If you want to add some more instructions, I can actually give you. Or if you want this whole guide, right, the MD master prompt, right, the email team master prompt that I just generated it right now. If you want it all, I can actually send it, because this one is actually simple, right? For this one, I can just download as an MD, share it with you guys, or publish it and share it with you as a link, right? It's actually simple, right? Just let me know in the comment section and I will share it with you. So that's all. I hope you like this. Let me know in the comment section if you liked it, if you have any questions, and yeah, that's all. See you in the next one. Peace out.